Alright, welcome. Now we're gonna do a little workout on line 1, page 1 of the Rudimental Ritual, which consists, as you should be knowing by now, in 4 bars roughs with the right hand leading and 4 bars left hand leading. Remembering on beat 4, bar 4 to revert. So that bar 4 is 1, 2, 3, invert. Same thing when I'm leading left. 1, 2, 3, invert. Let's put a metronome. It goes from 60 to 160, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the slow version of the Rudimental Ritual as performed in that case by John Ramsey. And let's try to follow also with the Brazilian ostinato underneath. Let's see how that goes. Let's take the tempo and enjoy the ramp up. 2 feet, only feet. Position. 2, 3, 4. Bar 2. Change left. And change, and 1. Change. Change, and 1. Bar 2. 3. Bar 4. Ready, change, and left. 2. Change, and light. 1, 2, 3, change, and left. Change, and right. 2, 3, 4. Change, and left. Change, and right. 2, 3, 4. Change, and left. Change, and right. 2, 3, 4. Change, left. 2. Bounce, huh? Change, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, change, left. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, change, right. Change, left. Change, right. Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4. Change, left. It's getting faster. 3. 1, 2, 3, change, right. 2, 3, change left. 1, 2, 3, change left. Change right. Change left. Change right. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, change left. Change right. 1, 2, 3, change left. One, two, three, change left. Change right. 1, 2, 3, change left. And right. Almost there. 2. Change left. And right. We reached it. 1, 2, 3, and left. 1, 2, 3, and right. 106 BPM. Work your way up and replay this video over and over again. And
have a lot of fun with me.
Practicing is fun, isn't it?
alright, enough of these. See you at the next video. Happy practicing, my beloved.